Hi everyone, my name is Gia Minh. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy pizza. I need some beef, some tomato sauce, and some cheese, and some dough, and corn and sausages. Now I'm going into the kitchen. Now I'm cutting the beef out. Now I am mixing the beef with garlic. Next, I'm going to cook the corn in the pot. Now I'm going to pour the oil.
Mẹ giúp.
Now I'm going to spread it on. Yeah. I'm going to put the beef and cook it up with some garlic. Now it's almost cooked. The beef has cooked the information. Now we're gonna put it into the plate. Now I think the corn has been cooked. Let's try this. Oh yeah! It's cooked. It's cooked. Now we're gonna put it until I'm going to cut the sausage before I take the corn out.
Cẩn thận con.
Do you know what is this? It's chicken! Do you know why I put this chicken out? Because my mom likes chicken, so I have to put the chicken out of the fridge. Now I'm going to tie out the corn. I'm going to speed up this. It's my house oven. Now I'm going to heat it up to 250 to 260. And we're going to make the pizza right now. Now I'm going to scoop. This is gonna be perfect. Corn in here. Now mix some corn here, mix some corn there, mix some 2 cones, mix some there, then mix some there, and finish. I'm going to put the sausage in, maybe 5 pieces. Sauce of the mash. Wait, the biggest one. Finish. Some cheese, some frozen cheese.
Cho nhiều vào nha. Cheese cho nhiều vào, rải đều ra con.
So frozen. It's so frozen. Super frozen.
Chảy mỏng cho con nhé. Chảy mỏng ra.
So frozen. We're finished. So we have to bake it into the oven.
Từ từ nhá.
Up. And we almost gonna have a pizza to eat.
Tay nhá.
Vâng. Now we are are going to put the pizza into the oven. And now we gonna close. And now we have to wait for 7 minutes. We going to wait. Now the pizza is finished. Wow, it's so delicious. Okay. Now I'm going to put the pizza into the plate and taste it.
Hơi cháy.
Maybe it's a little smoked. Now my mom going to cut the pizza out.
Hơi cháy một tí không sao.
It's okay, but
Lần đầu tiên đi, con nói đây lần đầu tiên tôi làm pizza.
This is the first time I make the pizza. Bye bye. The end.
Wow. Wow. What?
Oh, tasty.
Ngon không?
It's so tasty. This is chicken pizza.
Wow, chicken pizza. Chúng ta đã thành công. Okay.
Click the like and subscribe.